going on YouTube? It's Josiah out here with Aaliyah for a quick night ride because I got work tomorrow. She's trying to say I don't. I'm thinking about it. She's low-key convincing me, but she's gonna have to come up with a valid reason for me to not go to work tomorrow. Your lights are deadly, bro. They be flashing me. Oh, my own helmet out here flashing me. Where we go, there's a cop to our right, but oh, that little mother, I thought he was turning left. He played us because he knows we're going this way. I'd be forgetting how fun it is on a bike. It's mad fun. It's mad fun. I'd be forgetting when I'm not on the bike, and then I remember when I get back on the bike. Careful, baby. Look at that. Woo! So pretty. I'm passing them right here. Okay. Look at that. Wow. I don't think this street has lights. I'm going all the way around. Wow. Look at that. It's so pretty. I think these people right here want love. Sorry, I didn't mean to leave you. That's exactly what I meant. I'm literally right here. Jeez. left? Because I'm right. Why the f did you want to get in front of me? Oh yeah, we're racing. Does it look like we're racing? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more of the channel, hit that subscribe button and tap that bell. If you want to let me know something, let me know in the comments. Remember, Jesus loves you, and I'm going to see you guys next time. Peace.